just is this a V8?
I think it's a V6. My fault. Shane, Goss, Shane.
I'm not in the military today.
Or Javante, or Vaughn, or T, or J, or Goss, or Key Goss. That's what I call him. Key Goss, because you remind me of Key Glock. His at will be right.
This side was ran down. Look at it.
It's like somewhere it kept sliding. Sliding off this bitch is what he was saying. What? I brought a little. She's on. I ain't know if y'all wanted to. Y'all already. I'm not gonna find out in it. Damn, look at her. Come here real quick.
Is this a V8?
No, I think it's a V6. It's a V6. But shit.
Oh, what is this?
As well.
Hey, that's a lower. Hey.
Girl. Oh, nah.
That's what I was saying. Like, these bitches look tight fancy, cuz.
For the challenge, I appreciate you, my boy.
He said for the
Oh, my boy, bro.
Yeah, you can have them both right now for $250.
Who gonna put them on?
Look, then he gonna pull out a lower. Like what? Hold on.
That's a wrap. But can you use some of that shit? Like
Probably
these?
will be able to.
I'm saying it's on the phone right now.
Hey, man, what the fuck you want?
Oh.
All I gotta do is put some small wheels on the back. Well, get you a spare diff. Well, that bitch you put a swing. Watch out, don't step on that. You gonna sink. Oh, bro, you tripping in the dunks? Oh my lord, I ain't gonna tell you what's there.
Serious? Play my door panels.
Looking all fancy.
It's like I'm about to drive the bitch. My top lip looking at my thumbs, cuz.
I'm black.
Wait till my mom.
That shit works, bro.
This do look clean though. I ain't gonna lie, that interior look brand new type shit.
I gotta go get Kayla real quick. Right now. Oh, you're leaving.
You about to be right back.
Shut the fuck up.
Dropped out of school because schooling's education today is the worst narcotic drug of all. Don't politics, don't vote. These are old men's games. Impotent is war and power. Drop out. Tune in with natural things. Take off your shoes. Get back in tune with God's harmony. Surround yourself with beauty and sacred objects. You can't get caught in lockstep with what you call
Swedish fish moonshine. Hey, bar. Your boy Nix. Pops truly. Shit hit. Truly duly. Backwood. No chaser. Straight action. Breath on stacking. I could melt my fucking eyebrows right now, god damn it.
I'm about to show you how the fuck you are this garbage ass shit, bro. You see this shit, bro? They got this shit wired around this motherfucker sway bar. How they, bro? Who the fuck? He talking about he trying to see how it's wired up. I'm glad, bro, ain't paying no money. You say you ain't paying no money, right?
Nope.
Oh, no. Look at this. And they got this bitch. They got it ran on his muffler. This side, I ain't gonna say, it don't look bad. He got it.
You see it? Now do you see what I'm talking about?
Look at that shit. It's just dangling over there.
Hey, bro, you so goddamn dirty.
I don't care, bro. At this point, I'm kind of. They got it ran on his skid plate. How they gonna do your oil change, player? What?
It's really, it's not touching his muffler, but if that bitch get hot, he could have pulled it. You know what I'm saying? If he kept it tight.
You at, bro?
Yeah, it's hanging up.
It's falling.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh yeah, you talking about up?
Look how they put the weights on his wheel.
That is crazy. I didn't know it was that.
Hey yo, that's
I'm just trying to give you what's the
that's not pay for the you pay for him to do it.
Yeah,
So
you
you
gotta pay for a thing, so I keep that bitch on.
Put it more than definitely that. His tucking experience.
Hey, you gotta teach them boys how to tug. You gotta teach them how to tuck. This ain't really tucking. Damn, look how long that boy hair is. Ooh. Hold on.
Cause you do be skateboarding. Hold on. You know what we say about that? That bearing is shot. That bitch don't even spin like that. That bitch is too straight. And you don't hear that bitch. Hold on. Stop playing. And we got the shot.
Man, that bitch loose, look. Get all up in there.
Yeah, you see how deep these grooves is on this belt? And you see how shy these grooves is? That bitch was just slipping.
Damn.
Yo, belt hits in there. Hold on. Hold on. Now listen. That bearing is shot. Like a box, man. You hear that? Nah, you don't hear a thing. Hey, they going crazy up the street. You see that shit? That bearing is. That's nasty, son.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm pretty, son.
Hey.
Word.
Oh, keep these on
Got that latex.
there.
Got that latex. I'm strapped up.
Got us.
Double jeopardy. Real. But,
Nah, I want to see 71 pick up. You stupid. Oh, you call me lacking, bitch. You was real pretty, nigga. You was...
His ass is gonna be right here.
Hey, shit like that.
Barely. The string? Barely. It's like, I can see it. It's like, you don't have to have it high. Like, it's decent to a point where it's not noticeable.
She tight enough underneath there?
Got her coochie out. He's coming. He's getting ready to come out.
Coochie out. Coochie out.
He said you want to see the video? Hey, hand me another one of them zip ties by your feet.
Wait, oh, man, I could call them. I could call both of them right now on the phone. Like, yo, what y'all doing?
They coochie, bro.
But I told
That's gonna be my new saying.
That's my hustle.
Your coochie, bro.
Your coochie, bro.
I'm making the shirt first.
Your coochie, bro. Hey, your coochie, bro.
I want to
Look.
Yo, fucking Chris Tucker looking
That's like your coochie, bro.
They got this dick, bro. We got them emoji boxes on? Nah.
Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Are you jealous? I was about to get the one with all purple on it. The eggplants. You know what time it is. I'm on demon time. You gonna see them emojis when I get by. These the ones I was talking about. These the ones, right? Bro, I need one of these freaking jacks.
Hey,
so it can jack me off. Job's done already? Too small?
You wanna go watch some planes take off?
Hell no, you get shot.
What day we trying to fly, nigga? Meek. Yeah, you gonna fly, all right? You gonna fly, buddy. You see that plane? You gonna be above it.
Like,
So, ooh, okay, winning. Is everybody showing their boxers? What you rolling with?
what that bitch say?
Okay.
What that bitch say?
Anti-social.
You got anti-social boxers?
Head ass.
Damn, don't be pulling his shit out like that. That nigga said you dropped the spaghetti.
My fault, OG.
He said, let me put this back in my pocket.
You trying to hold my life together?
You're dangling like my thread.
Took that shit.
When she pull up in dental floss.
Oh my God.
Alright, bro, I'm done.
She lied about her being on her period. I see that string hanging.
He said, I see that string hanging. Lord have mercy. Lord. I bet you that kit you got, it came with a shitload of zip ties, didn't it?
Yeah.
I bet you he used everything on them.
Damn. Well, that's labor for you.
But on some real talk.
That's probably 100.
Goddamn.
So at the moment, Shani is actually working on that, the knock sensor, the clip, the wires like fridge.
The one.
So my engine light is on. Actually get all these bad boys on the road. At least, hopefully by summer.
It's a girl.
Girl, what's her name? Kiwi?
If you look at it,
gonna give him kisses?
Look at my big lip. Too cute. Way too cute.
Come off like fucking butter. Look at that.
Damn. Oh! I'm sorry. Little bottle of Mountain Dew. That shit all the way back there. Yeah, you see?
That was supposed to be the new one?
No, I changed the sensor itself.
So you gotta rewire that.
Yeah, I need a new wire. What the fuck? What's going on with your hand?
I don't know, man. Kinda got me questioning.
What the fuck?
I'm right there on the ground to get that blood off. But that was a good ass swipe. Cause that's where it got deep. But that would have been across my artery. I would have been dead.
Alright, cool.
A lot of niggas don't got the balls to hold a light like you, bro. Get some extra length out that motherfucker.
That's some pretty good shit. Goated.
Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit bolted back up. See this shit turn off.
Yes, knocking them all down. Knocking them all down.
The angles, man.
Smack my dome on the hood, cuz.
It's like, now I know where you're at. All right.
Goddamn. Just gotta get up early one day.
Want to see what this is?
What is that for?
Bags before, like, you go on a fight. On like. Bro, goated. Gotta change out this piece. Shit is dry rotted, but you know, your boy's still about to be whipping this bitch. Your boy broke status. Your boy ain't got money like that because he said he could buy another one for $8. Shout outs to Brandy. Nick, you said 8 or 80?
Go for that hose.
Fuck you, bitch. You black bitch.
Like 15,000.
All right, bro.
150. But
I'll do it for 20 and I'll get on my knees. He didn't say no.
What?
Hey, nah, hey. What you say?
Hey, getting some head.
I had to wait till
nigga
he
girl.
agreed.
Oh, my tents was dark. Nigga didn't even see me and the girl in the car. Nigga pulled up next to us and everything. So was nigga goddamn kept pulled up, kept rolling. Like, yeah, nigga. Straight up, didn't even duck.
Hey, you see that moth went to him? Cause this nigga light, son. He on the next level. He on the next level.
Some wings, nigga.
Get your wings up.
Wings, nigga.
Get your wings up,
bitch.
nigga.
It should be good to start.
Bro, I'm on to look at my fucking exhaust now while this shit up. Hey, look at that bitch. It's low key hanging. What can I do about that? You can see this shit from here. It's hanging. It's not hanging that low, but it is hanging. I see where it's supposed to connect to this by the edge. Edge, by the edge, looks like by the edge. Oh! At the jack on the side skirt and not on the like the little metal piece that was supposed to be in there. Just gotta be more careful.
hold on, Shane. You ain't even plan to start, man.
There's one still out. Just like me. See not trying to start?
Might need a new gas cap. Fuel cap is loose or off. You got another small leak, evap leak. The hose just making so weird. And with a knock sensor. So the only code that's pending right now, new codes, is these two codes. Ooh, with the blowy, with the blowy, with the blowy, with the blowy.
Damn, he out here breathing my skeleton. Right, I need that oil change. But the engine light is off. Oh, you did clear it. I gotta take it for a drive. He said we up there.